Welcome to my channel. As you can see, today I am going to do an unboxing of a nice budget phone from Blu, the Blu V50, picked up from Best Buy for $109. But before I get into this unboxing, if you're new here, I just ask that you hit that subscribe button below. Hit that bell to be notified. I drop new content on this channel every Saturday at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. And if you're returning, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Alright, so let's get into this unboxing. So let's take a look at the box. As you can see at the top, it has the name of the smartphone, the V50. It has this 50 design on the front in this yellow packaging. It says Blu smartphone down at the bottom. Turn it over to its side. It says hashtag bold like us. And on the top, it has the B for Blu. And on the opposite side, it has the V50. Alright, so what this smartphone have is a 6.2 19 by 9 HD plus infinity display, octa-core 1.6 gigahertz processor, 64-bit, 32 gigabyte of internal memory, 2 gigabytes of RAM, 13 megapixel main camera with LED flash, 8 megapixel selfie camera, fingerprint scanner, micro SD up to 64 gigabytes, super 4000 battery with Type-C connector, 4G LTE high-speed data, Android 10, and it has the Blu website. This is an unlocked GSM phone, so you can just pop out your SIMs card for any carrier that you have and place it right in this phone. Alright, so let's open this box up. And here is the phone. So inside the box you get the, and I believe this is the USB Type-C cable. Yeah, so it's the USB Type-C cable. And this should be the power brick here. So this is your power brick. And Blu was nice enough to give you a sticker. This is your quick start guide. How to set up your phone. Very nice. They use a nice glossy paper. Okay. This is how to install your dual SIMs. So you can actually put 2 different SIM cards in this phone and have 2 different numbers working on this phone at one time. So that is very nice. That's like having, well, I would say 2 phones in one, kind of, because you can use 2 different phone numbers. Let's see what else they have in the box. Your SIM card ejector tool. They also included a screen protector. Alright, Blu. Alright, so you get a screen protector to protect the screen, and you also get a phone case. Okay. So Blu is not just providing you with a nice budget phone, they're giving you a complete phone. I mean phone, case, and the screen protector. So let's look at this case. Now it's not one of your fancier cases like a OtterBox or a Spigen, but I know with me, when I first get a phone, I have to have some type of protection on it. So that's great that Blu is giving you that right out of the box. It doesn't feel bad, the material. It looks like it has like a carbon fiber design to it. Covers your fingerprint scanner and the camera, so that is really nice. Alright, so let's put all this stuff back in the box. Let's take a look at the Blu V50. Alright, so here is the phone. And as you can see on the front, it gives you some of that information I read off to you before. This is the back. You have your fingerprint scanner and your 13 megapixel camera. Alright, so let's take this on and off here. Alright, so here it is. Show you the side here. Okay, this phone looks black, but as you go down, it turns into like a navy blue. It's hard to see on camera, but if you see it in person, you can see the gradient from black to blue. Okay, on the side here, it has, let's see if I can get it, Blu Products Inc. Model V50, designed in Miami, and it has AI camera and your fingerprint scanner. So in the hands, it feels solid. It doesn't feel like this phone costs $109. It's really well made. Doesn't feel cheap at all. Very solid, very nice. So Blu did a good job as far as the build quality of the phone and the design of it. Alright, so this is the bottom of the phone. You have speakers on both ends and your USB type C. You have the power button and the up and down volume rocker. You have the headphone jack at the top, and here you have your SIM card slot. Alright, so let's turn this phone on. As you can see, we're greeted by the Blu logo. Okay, so here is the phone. As I mentioned before, it's running Android 10. Screen is nice and bright. I don't know if that's coming off on camera, but overall, for $109 unlocked, you get the latest Android, you get a screen protector, you get a case. This phone is a deal for anyone who wants a smartphone but don't want to pay and get something expensive, who's like me, who likes unlocked phones. I'd rather just buy a phone straight out and be able to use whatever SIMs card I want. And let me say it again, this is dual SIMs. So you can put 2 SIM cards in this phone and use 2 different phone numbers. Now, I don't know where you're going to find that for a smartphone in this range of $109. So yeah, this has been my unboxing of the Blu V50 from Best Buy, unlocked. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video.